Replacing the interior cabin filter in the Genesis GV70 is really easy. Open up the glove compartment, empty it out, come down here and you can see this lever, or rod rather, that holds this. It's the limiter from how low this can go. And you pull that off, and that way the whole glove compartment can come down further. So that's the safety basically. Then you find on each side these two 90-degree thumb screws that you're just going to turn. And it takes a bit of finagling. Basically, you're going to unlock them so that you can pull them out. There we go. So there's one. Let me get the other. Once you get them both out, gently lower the glove compartment down. And then you see here, that's the door to where the cabin filter is stored. So you pinch on the left, and then it opens up like a little window. And then there's the filter right there. And you'll notice on it that it has the words for the direction on it typically. Airflow down. So that always needs to be read like that, upright, when you put the new one in. So you take the old one out. I'm gonna put an affiliate link in the description to buy the new one. And then you pretty much just slide it back in and you look for those words airflow with the arrow pointing down. It slides right back in. Now you have to take your door and you insert it in the hinges, and then it will just shut. Then you simply reverse the entire process, putting it all back together. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description to buy the cabin filter.